Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Solar Art on the Job. Today we're in Orange, the city of Orange, the historic district of Orange, California. We're at Rocket Launch Marketing, who's a marketing company. We're doing some graphics and I think some tint potentially. I don't even know. Yes, some tint and some graphics. We're gonna check it out, go inside, check out what they're doing, talk to the owners, their people in the company, and let's check it out. Oh, Rocket Science. Oh no, it's Rocket Launch is the new. Okay, got it. Okay, cool. Okay, going here. Wait, should we take it? I think we can walk. It's just one story. Come on. Oh, fun fact. Did you know that historic building, you really can't change the windows in historic buildings? And so window film, if you want to upgrade a historic building, it's very difficult because windows, you can't replace the windows because the frames and all that stuff. So window film is often used to upgrade the performance of historic buildings because you could put window film on without replacing the windows to improve the capacity. So historic buildings is a good avenue for window film. Fun fact. Cool, so it's Rocket Launch is the company, it's a marketing company. We're here with Dan, right? Yep. And you are, what's the position?
One of the vice presidents.
Vice president. Oh, okay. I got a big shot here. Okay, cool. So yeah, just tell us a little bit about the company. We're here doing some graphics for them, so we want to learn a little bit about the company.
Yeah, so Rocket Launch Marketing and PR, we're a full service agency, and we handle clients across the board in a lot of different industries.
Yep.
Consumer, nonprofit, tech, automotive, entertainment, etc. And so we're based here in Old Town Orange, right near the Circle in the Plaza, in the Jensen building, and the office vibe is kind of a mid-century modern vibe, and so that's what we've really kind of,
it's awesome.
Aesthetically wise, tried to design the office. Yeah. Solar Art's been awesome because you guys have really come in and helped. We got our logo going up in our newest conference room that we just built. 2 windows in one of the offices. Was it because there was too much heat coming in, or light, or? Yeah, so you've done 2 windows, but you've actually done now 20 windows.
Oh.
The whole west side of the building.
Oh, we did? Okay. In this suite?
Yeah, in this office.
Oh, okay.
All the windows actually over there.
Oh, okay.
And so the west side of the office just gets pummeled
at the end of the day when it's coming in? Okay.
These windows are like relatively old.
That's what he said, single pane clear, that's the worst window, yeah.
We do have blinds on them, but they do nothing.
Right.
And so, especially in the heat of the summer, it just bakes for the offices, so we had the ceramic.
Yep, ceramic 30, great film, non-reflective, you can see out.
Yeah, exactly, and so they've been on now for, I think, maybe a month or so.
Okay,
and
cool.
It's definitely been
see a difference?
Noticeable, the difference of heat, lack of heat that's coming in the office. And so we just did 2 more.
Yep.
We got this, our seal going up today.
Cool.
And then we'll probably come back and do another window over here
at
some point. So
nice.
Been super happy with y'all.
Okay, awesome. Let's take a look at some of the windows. We'll just take a quick walk around. We won't try and be quiet a little bit. So I know we had those 2 there. That's cool.
All these windows on this side.
Everything on the back, okay. Because the sun comes over and just kind of comes in and sets it.
Just cranks.
Got it, okay. And then this is nice. Oh, this is great.
This is my office back here.
Oh, all right. Yeah, so you're literally, your desk is like right in front of the window.
Yeah,
so like you're sitting there and it's coming right in.
And when this door gets closed too,
it's like bakes.
It like turns into a little convection oven.
Right.
So it has helped.
Yeah.
At least we're not in the thick of summer yet.
Yeah. We'll see. Well, the film performs better when the sun's on it, like when it's really hot. So that's when it performs. When it's like shade, it doesn't really work. But when the sun hits it, that's when you're getting the performance of it. So you'll see in the summertime, hopefully it'll give you some big difference. So awesome. Well, thanks for taking the time. So giving us some feedback. What's your website?
RocketLaunchAgency.com.
Okay. Cool. RocketLaunchAgency.com. Check them out. If you need any marketing. Thanks, Dan, for giving us time. Cool.
Yeah,
awesome.
Good.
What are we doing? Yeah. Well, we just film. Oh, we're doing this right here? Yeah. Let's check it out. Let's see what we're doing. This looks like a private office. So when you walk in, there's an entryway. There's a big window here. So what are we doing over here?
We're installing a graphic. I think this is their logo.
Oh, okay. See that? Oh, it's a rocket ship. There you go. It's a rocket ship. Oh, cool. Oh, so we did it in what is it? Dusted crystal or? Oh yeah, 3M. Yeah, 3M dusted crystal. Yeah, 3M does it. A lot of companies use 3M dust because it looks really nice on the glass. So it looks like we're doing this. Looks like you got some laser show going. What's going on here?
Yeah, just so I can center it, and I won't be doing too much with it. And
so the laser centers the whole thing. Okay.
Yeah, so I have the measurements here.
Mm-hmm. We're just cleaning the glass, making sure to get all imperfections out of the glass. Making sure he has a fresh blade. Glass sometimes has imperfections in them, so you want to make sure you have a clean, fresh blade, so you don't scratch the glass.
Yeah, we're just gonna wipe it down and check for imperfections, because if I touch the blade, we're gonna end up with a really scratched window.
Are you able to tell the difference between hard glass and soft glass?
When like this, here's like sandpaper.
Mm-hmm. You hear that? So because right away, if you hear that, do not use blade.
Yeah.
So we have like little, usually we have either white scrubby pads or, you know, he'll just clean it. Isn't that satisfying? Yeah. Oddly satisfying. This is a big graphic. Good? You good? We should call this Installations with Matty D. Oh my God, I'm so short. Ask all the kids that made fun of me in high school.
How about it?
5, with shoes or without? Ah, you see that? The edge of the rocket is right on the line. See that? It's perfect. All right, guys, thanks for watching another episode of So Hard on the Job at Rocket Launch Agency. Look for more episodes coming. Thanks to our sponsor, southpizzeria.com. Go get a slice. We're out of here. Yes, this is my ride.